Welcome to class 21 of secretarial practice. In the last class, we have already dealt with memorandum of association, articles of association, secretarial duties with regards to its alteration. So now it's a time to understand the difference between memorandum of association and articles of association. So as we have studied, memorandum of association and articles of association both are the documents. So they are the documents which should be filed with the registrar at the time of incorporation. So memorandum of association is the first document. So it is the first or the superior document we say. Okay, so articles of association is secondary document. It is a secondary document. So the next is subordinate to. So subordinate to means, so we have Companies Act. So this is Companies Act. So next to it is Memorandum of Association and the next is Articles of Association. So whatever is given in the Companies Act. So on the basis of that, we are going to prepare Memorandum of Association. So Memorandum of Association is subordinate to the Companies Act and the Articles of Association. So whatever object what is mentioned in the Memorandum of Association, so in order to achieve that, we are going to prepare the rules and regulations, so that we say as articles. So articles of association is prepared subordinate to your memorandum of association. The next is contents. So what does memorandum of association contain? Memorandum of association will have the nature of company, the object of company. Okay, but the articles of association have the rules and regulation to achieve these objects. So memorandum of association will contain the nature and object of company. Articles will contain the rules and regulations. Then the relationship. So relationship between relationship of memorandum. So this memorandum is going to explain the relationship between the company and the outsiders. Company and the outsiders. So whereas articles of association is going to explain the relationship between company and its members. Company and its members. So outsiders wants to know about the company. So what kind of business they are going to conduct. So what, whether it is legal or illegal. So to know the nature and object of the company, the outsider may refer memorandum of association. So memorandum of association is going to give you the clear explanation or relationship between the company and the outsider. So in memorandum of association, we have objects and we have to carry out that objects. So articles of association is going to have the rules. So such rules should be followed by the members. So articles of association is going to explain the relationship between company and the members. So members means who are working in and the shareholders. The next is compulsory. So which document is compulsory? So memorandum of association is compulsory for all the companies. So all the companies at the time of incorporation, as a first document, they have to prepare memorandum of association and file it with the registrar. So articles of association is also the document which is needed to be prepared by the companies at the time of incorporation. But so the exemption is given to public company limited by shares. So public company limited by shares, so they need not prepare articles of association, but memorandum of association is very compulsory for the all companies. The next is alteration. So we have studied the procedures of altering memorandum and articles of association. So if we are going, which is very easy. So compared to memorandum of association, articles of association, or the alteration of articles of association is very easy, right? So just passing the general resolution in the, sorry, a special resolution in the general meeting, and you are going to change the articles of association. But memorandum of association, we cannot change it as when we require. Okay, so this is not so easy. So it is not so easy to alter the memorandum of association. Then the next is act beyond. So we have studied ultra virus and intravirus. Okay, ultravirus and intravirus. So any act goes beyond the memorandum, we call it as ultravirus, and which cannot be ratified or cannot be ratified even after the approval of all the members. So intravirus, so any act beyond, or when we are going to act as per articles, sorry, memorandum of association, it means intravirus. And anything that is ultravirus to articles of association but intravirus to memorandum of association, so that can be ratified by the approval of the shareholders. The last is documents, or sorry, this is the last point. Then we'll move next to table A. Table A. So what is this table A? So table A, as we have studied in articles of association, so every company except public company limited by shares, public company limited by shares. So except this company, all the companies like private company limited by shares, or the unlimited company, or the company limited by guarantee. So all this company should have their own articles of association. So their own articles of association. But public company limited by shares, so they may not have articles of association, but in the place of articles of association, they may have table A. So what is this table A? So table A is nothing but a set model or model set of 99 rules. So which is contained in schedule 1 of Companies Act. So at the end of the Companies Act, so we have the set of 99 rules. So that we call it as table A.